You can see here that there is a microstructure. You can see this little rectangular patch. That's the little microstructure of pockets of gel support. As I wash that out, the gel support goes away with low pressure water. This cavity, this internal cavity, is almost completely clear. And this was all full of gel support. So now if we take a look, you can see that this cavity is almost completely cleaned. You do end up with some of these pieces of gel support that want to stick to the walls, and they do require you to get a little closer to them to wash them off. You can see now most of that rectangular support structure is gone. Oftentimes, pieces of gel support will stick to these sinews. You can kind of see these cubes there. Yeah, it's hard to see them, but... So underneath this white patch is gel support. So as I try to wash that off, it actually gets underneath it, and the gel support's coming out right now. It's being dissolved out. And then there gets to be enough water that I can kind of just scoop. And then I can continue getting that gel support out of there. This whole internal cavity was full of gel support. It doesn't take much, and it's completely cleared out. So it's really useful for delicate applications.